Alright, for example 2, this is a story problem, so I'm going to read it to you out of the book. It says a pole, which is this thing right here with the stripes on it, leans towards the sun at an 8-degree angle, so 8-degree angle. Off the vertical, it casts a 22-foot shadow, so my shadow here is 22 feet long. The angle elevation from the tip of the shadow to the top of the pole is 43 degrees. How tall is the pole? So we have to, or how long is the pole? We have to find A. Okay? So I know that it's going to be A over the sine of 43 degrees is equal to, it looks like I'm given side C, 22 over the sine of angle C. I don't know angle C yet. But I can find angle B because angle B is 90 degrees plus 8. So B is 98 degrees. That means C has to be 180 minus 98 minus 43. So angle C is going to be about 39 degrees, I think. So now I'm going to take out, so A over the sine of 43 is going to be equal to 22 feet over the sine of 39 degrees. If I take 22 times the sine of 43, hit enter, divide by the sine of 39, I get side A to be 23.84 feet. And that is how you solve that problem, 23.84 foot long. You don't have to go find the rest of it because it just wants to know how tall the pole is. Read number 41 and then press pause and see if you can figure it out. I went ahead and drew you a picture to help you out on the picture. Essentially what it wants to know is how tall is this flagpole right here, H, and this is the information that the story problem gives us, with this being the horizontals, the two horizontals, this being the light that casts the shadows, so there's a sun up here. The 16 meters long is how long the shadow is. The 14 degrees is the angle that's given. The pole is vertical, straight up and down. So the angle sits, the ground sits at a 14-degree angle. And we want to find H. Alright, so to find H, I need to know some things. Well, first thing I notice is that this angle right here has to be 76 degrees. How do I know that? Well, since this one is 14, I draw basically another parallel line here. I have two parallel lines, L1 and L2 are parallel. Therefore, 14 degrees is here, which means this is also 14 degrees. And then 76 plus 14 has to make 90, so that's 76 right there. So I know that. What else can I deduce from this drawing? Well, this 20-degree angle here, that means this one has to be 70 degrees. How do I know that? Well, this one is 90. So 20 plus 90 is 110. And this 70 is on a straight line, or this one's on a straight line, so 180 minus 110 is 70. And so now I know that this other angle is 180 minus 70 minus 76, which is going to be 34 degrees, so I put a 34 there. So now I know the side H over the sine of 34 degrees has to be equal to, I have a side of 16, its opposite angle is 70, so sine of 70 degrees, and therefore I take 16 times the sine of 34, divide by the sine of 70, and H equals 9.52 meters. That's all there is on that one. Ask questions if you got them.